Fine. I live in it's I live in Oh, you know, chief. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I can you excuse me, please. I want to talk to you.
Me? Say,
Come first. I live in 100. Who did like this now? No matter now. My name now is Siri. What's my name?
Miracle.
I saw you from afar. I look so beautiful. I like to appreciate you.
When?
Just now I saw you that you gain yash normally. No,
I know why. I know that's the odd thing. So you did not say another person I have yash.
No, I really normal. So what's your name?
Miracle.
Miracle.
You ask me.
Okay, sorry.
You're asking me again.
Sorry.
Miracle.
My name is Vinicius. I want to tell you about my work.
Okay.
I want to tell you say me I do hookup normally.
Okay.
I do hookup. So I don't know if you like to patronize me or refer me to people that can handle my service. Normally I dey knock I sabi give it well.
Man.
I know woman. I don't know.
I thought they do hookup.
No, like man to woman.
So wait, I want to ask you one thing, one reasonable thing. So you look me finish from head to toe.
I don't look you finish.
I look like person where they do hookup.
Like you are not the one doing. No, you are not the one doing. I'm the one doing. Normally, just a guy now. Come if you old guy no see you in there. You won't do call a go hookup. So me, I give you that hookup boy. Maybe say if conjure you just come, you don't need to come. So you even no come lick your plate normally. Just make you do alright.
So you are telling me to provide for you.
Like after everything now you pay me.
I will pay you. If I provide person they will do hookup.
Okay, if you provide me, we go share the money. You just refer me.
Sorry, I don't know. I don't know such person.
So what
I
about
don't
you?
Want to know.
If I don't like have my service. Calm down before you go. Calm down now. Before you go, it was a prank. See the camera there.